If you're seeing Facebook error code 999, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Facebook working again fast. This error can show up because of a temporary browser issue, a bad session, or even a connection problem. So we'll go through the easiest steps first and keep it simple. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and step-by-step tutorials. First, let's start with the quickest fix. Refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5, or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes error 999 is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After refreshing, give the page a moment to reload and check whether Facebook starts working normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're actually connected to a stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, see if other websites are loading properly. You can also try turning Wi-Fi off and back on, reconnecting to your network, or switching to mobile data if you're on a phone. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger Facebook errors and stop pages from loading correctly. Now let's move on to the browser session itself. Another very effective fix is to log out of Facebook completely and then log back in again. This can help reset your session and clear out any temporary account or login issues. To do that, sign out of Facebook, close the browser tab, open Facebook again, and log in with your account details. Once you're back in, test whether the error code 999 is gone. If you're still getting the issue after that, the problem may be stored in your browser data. In that case, clear your browsing data, especially cache and cookies. These files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with how Facebook loads. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies for Facebook. Then try loading the site again. After clearing your browsing data, refresh Facebook one more time and see if it opens correctly. If needed, repeat the logging step after the cache clear, because Facebook may ask you to sign in again. That's completely normal, and it often helps finish the reset process. If Facebook error code 999 still appears, try opening Facebook in a different browser as a final test. Sometimes the problem is tied to a specific browser extension, saved session, or local setting. Testing another browser helps you quickly figure out whether the issue is with Facebook itself or just your current browser setup. So, to recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and clear your browsing data if needed. These steps solve most cases of Facebook error code 999 without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook or software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.